Hola y'all, que pasa? Welcome back to Vlogmas day 10. We are almost halfway through Vlogmas and I can't wait. Today we are making some sugar cookies with cream cheese frosting, and I'm gonna put a little bit of sprinkles and colors and stuff on it. So I was going to make this a little bit earlier, but my son was acting up, so let's get into it. Alright, let's get into making these cookies. First things first, you're going to get your unsalted butter, 2 sticks, which is equal to 1 cup, and make sure it is room temperature, so it should be pretty soft. Add that to the bowl. Then add your sugar. After you add your sugar, you want to beat with your hand mixer for about 4 minutes. Add your vanilla and then 1 large egg while you're mixing. And once that is all mixed very well, you're going to add your flour, cornstarch, and baking powder. Now, I said baking powder, not baking soda. Once you're finished adding all those dry ingredients, mix that very well. Don't forget the salt. I had forgot the salt for like 2 seconds, so it was looking a little not promising at first. Once you're done, you can either use a mixer, or I found it better to use a spatula or my hands to start folding the dough together. So you can either use a lid to a mason jar, use an ice cream scooper, or find some cookie cutters, which I just so happen to find a gingerbread man cookie cutter. Next, you're going to bake it for about 10 minutes on 350. Make sure you have that oven preheated to 350 before you even start baking though. While the cookies are baking, you're going to want to make your cream cheese frosting. So you're going to do 8 ounces of cream cheese, which is usually just a whole pack of cream cheese. Add your vanilla and then add your powdered sugar and mix all that together. Oh yeah, don't forget to do the butter. You're going to do 1/4 stick of butter. So this is how the cookies are looking, y'all. It looks so legit, like, and they were so good. I kid you not. This is me icing the cookies. So basically, I decided to put a little bit of food coloring in some of the frosting to make the red. Then I also did some green ones too. And they have a white food coloring, which I guess it just made the frosting a little bit on the whiter side and not on like a tannish yellow side. Okay, y'all, this is the finishing product, y'all. These came out like so good. Like, look, I even did like a little gingerbread one too. Let's try it. They're so soft, and the frosting, I did my big one with the frosting. I did my big one. Anyway, I want to finish devouring this cookie. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget, the ingredients and the directions are all going to be in the description box below. So make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe so you can come back for Vlogmas day 11.